All right, I'm the flat rate master, and let's see what's going on around the shop. All right, Bam Bam has that infinity up there getting a water pump. This Honda Odyssey is getting a valve adjustment, and we had to get a connector that got broken. But it's ready to go for a test drive in the morning. Today, four-wheel brake job on a truck. Woohoo, packing bearings. We have a Toyota 4Runner here in my bay. Needs a throttle body and some maintenance. That's about it. Side note, this is only my second day back to work. I had the joy of 2 days of jury duty. But most boring thing I've done in my life, I think. Zach has a Ford Raptor. He's doing blend door actuator on it. You know, the one on the bottom of the box. Fun. This Edge, Zach did a bunch of work to it. Unfortunately, after he got done with it, a coil failed on it. He did a tune-up, you know, whatever. He's got a coil coming on in the morning, and so it is what it is. Josh knocked out a ton of work today, and his bay's empty, so. Daniel, this Pontiac Torrent or whatever, he put a rack in, a manual rack, because it's electronic power steering. Yet it hit something really hard and cracked the rack in two. I think he already put the core up, otherwise I'd show it to you, but yeah, in two pieces. Yeah, fun. And as you can see, he's got more brakes to do tomorrow. Jesse over here is having fun with an ignition switch. Eventually we'll get a good one that works every time. Or let me rephrase that, that works, because the original one intermittently doesn't work. The new ones don't work at all. And he's on his third. Somebody had a bad batch. Cole did struts on this Acura. So he was having fun with that. He was still working on it before he left. So, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.